Computer. All right, so you had to request me. I don't know what happened. Anyway, so we are on, and today is Sunday, and today is the 2nd March 2025, and we are on a Sunday fun aging call, and today is the topic is consciousness includes everything and judges nothing. How does it get any better than this? And welcome, 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 and all the DJCCs and all the past juniors that we functioned from. Would you be willing to destroy and ungive it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pot, all 100 shots, boys, pervads, bases, creations, and beyonds. So, tell me, what is consciousness for you? And how do you see self through the eyes of consciousness? Anybody here can tell me what is consciousness? I'm also looking at.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Manisha. How are you?
I'm fine. Not in the past, not in the present, and here and now moment, then I'm conscious. That's what I think.
Awesome. Awesome. So, anybody else? What is consciousness? Nobody. Okay, I'll put it differently. Um, Let me repeat the topic. I'm blank at the moment. I don't know what's happening. um, okay. So, Gary, in the recent class, no, I think everybody received that. There was this call he did a few days back. Did you listen to it?
Which one? Rival
He
Civil?
was sitting on a huge chair with a blue shirt. If you if you've seen that, it came in the mail for everybody, I think.
For गैरी एंड ये गैरी का क्लास का बोल रहे हो?
हाँ, गैरी डगलस और कौन?
नहीं सुना नहीं मैंने अभी तक.
अच्छा, it's very interesting because he was talking about living for. He says every morning I ask, what was the question? He said every morning, I ask, what would it take? What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery can I be to have a great healthy body? Something like that. I don't know exactly the words. To live healthy 300 years old body. Now, how many of you are willing to live for 300 years or more? How many of you?
Not me for sure.
Not you. Why? What would make you? Well, what is if you were aware and conscious? If you're always functioning from awareness and consciousness, what would your choices be? Would you? What is living for 300 years? What is living for 300 years for you?
Two things come up in the mind.
Yeah.
First being, if I choose anti-consciousness, then it will be so much of pain, so much of noise, and so much of disharmony. If I choose consciousness, I don't think I will even remember my age. It just go on and on and on.
What if you didn't have to remember it? What if you were living, what if consciousness about living in the moment, like Manisha said, living in the moment, being present, uh, and having fun. If that was the case, then how long would you like to live on the planet? What is the lightness of your awareness about consciousness? Lightness, wouldn't you have lightness of your awareness, lightness of your choice, lightness of uh, who you be, the difference that you be, and wouldn't you be, wouldn't you allow yourself to have choice in every now moment to create a greater reality, not only for you, but for the planet? If you didn't get affected by the lies and the heaviness, who and what would you be? And what if you used your psychic abilities? Like this, nowadays we are talking a lot about psychic abilities. What if you used your psychic abilities? Hi, Ravina. What if you used your psychic abilities um, to be with the universe? And being um, in the universe, there's so much going on in my head. Being in the universe in such a great way. Gary, I think, gave two questions. He said, what is my universe and where do I find it? Please, 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 that will give you a lot of awareness if you were um, asking these two questions. What is my universe and where do I find it? These are two beautiful questions, brilliant questions. And you could have the lightness of the universe no matter what heaviness and lies show up in your life. No matter, no matter. We all need to wake up to what's possible, guys. There's so much possible, and we are still caught up in little things, or the daily things that. So if consciousness was everything and you didn't have to judge anything, you were an allowance of everything, what would your life look like? Who would you be? Nowadays, there's so many people talking about consciousness. This is one vital difference in consciousness, uh, is that you don't make anything or anybody right or wrong. If you were being conscious, you would be in the present, not in the past, not in the future, like Manisha said. Hi, Param. And choose from now. What do animals, flowers, what does nature do? What does nature do? Does it worry about yesterday or tomorrow? Does it worry about the money having in the bank or not having? This is just one element of what consciousness offers. Just one element. And there are a million others. Just take a moment with that. Just become present with your very being. What do you get? Imagine living in a world where you were never made wrong and you were never bloated because you were right. And you didn't have to prove to anybody Nowadays, in Access, we are also talking about cognitive dissonance. If you're feeling upset, frantic,
हाँ 5 मिनट सर 5
you're not being you are choosing cognitive dissonance.
Cognitive dissonance.
Yeah. He was talking about your being is more like a bird. You know? You just get up and sing. That's your being. Your being wants to be alive, wants to enjoy, wants to have fun. But you will contract yourself. You will tell yourself, no, I can't do that at this moment. How silly would it look? How stupid would it look? I don't want to be judged by people.
हाँ
Isn't it?
કર જતી રહું છું આમાં પગ મૂકી દે અહીંયા પગ મૂકી દે એની ઉપર
Can we make you,
હા અહીંયા પગ મૂકી દે અહીંયા હા બસ
Pradhaman,
હા ચપ્પલ કાઢ નાખવા વાંધો નહીં અત્યારે અત્યારે રહેવા દે આઈ જા પગ મૂક
hello, can we mute you? Thank you. So, have you noticed when you get up and you are like bright and beautiful, roaming around in the house, you're smiling on, the energy of everybody around also changes. There's a song in your smile, he said. It was so beautiful that I remember it. He said, there is a song in your smile. So, cognitive dissonance is where we live from, is where we have all the points of views. And they're mainly the opposite point of views, opposing point of views. Like, say, if you have a point of view that you need to have a relationship. That's his example he gave, that if you want to have a relationship, but deep down you know you don't want a relationship. You're good the way you are. But you don't want to admit it. You don't want to admit you don't like having relationships. Because everybody in the world is telling you to have a relationship, get married, have children, and you feel that you need to have it and do it. And that is what is cognitive dissonance. If you just get up in the morning and you are functioning from consciousness, I would say, because that's the topic today. Rather than going into the automatic pilots, so that I can catch up faster, so that I can do my finished work my faster. And what do you do after you finish your work? So this, I was just listening yesterday, so it's very clear at the moment in my head. He was talking about if you were not to live on autopilot, most of us, 90% of us, live on autopilot. What we did yesterday, we do exactly the same thing today. And if it changes, then we make ourselves wrong for it. Where's the consciousness going to come from there? If you really desire consciousness, you have to stay present and in question. Always, always. What is this choice going to create? If I choose this, what will my life be 5 years from now? If I don't choose this, what would my life be 5 years from now? You, your body, your very being is magical. You would want to contract it to fit into this reality for what reason? What are you not willing to see? What are you not willing to be? What are you not willing to choose? If you could choose anything, like Dane starts all his classes with, if you could choose anything, what would you like to have in this? So today, we have Sunday. What would you like to have if you could have anything? Yeah, I like to judge myself little bit more, little more intensely. In Access, we try to teach you to judge yourself. So every time you judge yourself, he said, every time you go into cognitive dissonance, every time you are not connected with the universe, and every time you're not being conscious and aware, how about asking yourself, how stupid am I being today? How can I be so stupid? Why? Quite a few questions he gave. Um, how can I get dumber than this? Why do I have a brain like a shit? So everywhere, and have fun with it, guys. A consciousness includes everything. Everywhere you're saying, I can't do this, I should be doing this, and this is no, you can do anything, and anywhere you are, whatever you want to choose, there is nothing wrong and right. There's total freedom in consciousness. There's total you in consciousness. Anything that you are energetically congruent with, anything that lightens you up, anything that makes your feet tap. How many people here, when music starts, their feet start to tap? How many of you? Or are you all sleeping and I'm done? Bye bye. He was mentioning about a movie. Anybody seen The Good, Bad, and the Ugly? I didn't know it was a movie. And he was talking about this movie, Good, Bad, and the Ugly. And he said, everybody was choosing bad and ugly, not the good in that movie. The good guys were the ones who were bad and ugly. What if that could be so much fun? Please recognize you are conscious beings. You are infinite beings walking on this planet. And everything that you have learned and everything the manual was handed over to you, then everything that you think you should be doing and according to this reality, to fit in and to be nice and to be morally great, and that takes your life away from you. That takes you away from you. I would like to live in a world of consciousness. And I was saying that I just forgot, anything that you are congruently, energetically, congruently, um, let me put it, anything you are energetically congruent with, becomes available to you. You can have it. Like if you want to trouble and you want drama and you love doing that, you can have it every day. Like if you like to gossip about somebody and you're sitting there, you will have friends who will come and gossip with you. But if you want peace and you want dance and you want ease and you want living and you want life and you want to create a greater world, you can have that too. So, what would be fun for you? What would you like to choose in this way 10 seconds, in every 10 seconds? And you choose to become aware. Every choice creates awareness. Oh, this didn't work. Okay, fine. Wasn't interesting. Okay, now what next? And I have heard Gary and Dane, especially Dane, in many of the classes saying, you can, anything that you're stuck in or anything that you want to change, you can ask the universe. You can, hey, universe, hey, consciousness, contribute. Are you willing to ask the whole universe, the each and every molecule on the planet to contribute to where you are and where you'd like to go? Gary was saying that I didn't even realize that I was good looking till 34, 35. How many of us waste so much of time rather than choosing to be who you truly be in every now moment and not knowing what is beautiful? You are beautiful the way you are. Universe, God, he, she, it, higher part doesn't create kachara. If you were conscious, would you tell yourself you're not good looking? Would you even judge yourself? And what's right about, that's a lovely question I like. What's right about me I'm not getting? When you don't see what's right about you, what do you do?
So whenever I ask this question, at least for some spaces, I get scared, and I
Get
feel that
scared
I'm
of
not.
what? You get scared of
I
what?
don't know. I scared. Matlab, I'll get to know something about myself, become aware
Ah,
something about myself, and उसके बाद से मैंने सवाल ही ये पूछना छोड़ दिया है.
नहीं, वही तो है. If you don't know what's right about, if you don't ask and what you don't energetically know what's right about you, you will make everything wrong about you. You only learn to see the wrongness. You only learn to see the ugly. You never learn to see the beauty. The thing of beauty is joy forever. Have you ever heard that? So, what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, possibility, power, potency, you and your bodies be to create a reality that's beyond this reality and way more conscious, aware, present in every now moment. And everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncare it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVAS, bases, equations, and beyonds. Guys, you have to have some questions, otherwise, I don't know where to go sometimes. Sometimes I can just go on talking, and sometimes it's like, what? Do you have any questions, guys? Hello?
Geeta ma'am, you're not audible if you're saying something.
Oh, okay, sorry. What happened?
No, no, not to you, to Geeta ma'am. I guess she wishes to share something.
Okay, Geeta, I also didn't hear it. Yes, Geeta?
No, I didn't raise my hand.
Okay. She just thought that you probably were going to say something. Yeah. Lovely. Seems Geeta is free. She just got her son married.
Kamal, as you said that you ask the universe or the, the the waiting period. I mean, the when you ask and you just, mm, is there any clue to focus on those things or just to leave?
I would say just to leave. And if you focus on, if you insist, it persists, nothing will show up. You ask, we say you ask and receive. That is your job. The in between job to show up and how, and it's not yours, it's the universe's.
Hmm.
So when you ask, some things show up like this because you have no point of view. And some things the universe has to rearrange, allow you the time to change your point of views, and then in synchronicity, that comes. The more conscious you are, the things will come up quicker. The more unconscious you embody, the quicker you can kill yourself, kill your body.
Hmm.
If you're functioning from unawareness in every now moment by eating, sleeping, drinking, doing your work, how fast are you going to kill your body? And if you're conscious, Gary is saying, I want to live. He didn't say I want to. He said, what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle can I be to live for 300 years? No, he didn't say. To have a healthy body, which is 300 years. Um, I, I'll see what it is and let's write it down because I don't remember the exact words that he used, but he was talking about having a body for 300 years. Like Sandy Penn said, if you are living in fear and you're living in what's wrong and you're living in all the wrong things that you see in the world, then you cannot live for 300 years because you will be worried and the body will take you faster away. You can only live for 300 years if you have no point of view. If you're just like a bird, if you're just like any tree, if you're just like. So, whatever you're looking for or create, you can create that. You can have that. Whatever you want to have, you can have it. More conscious you are, more aware you are, you will nurture your body. You would care for it. It will be with you. Only way we kill our bodies is by filling them up with unconsciousness. Since everything is conscious, the even the door is conscious, even the mirror is conscious, whatever I can see, TV is conscious. Everything is conscious. Even the chair you sit on is conscious. I have tried many a times, and I've also shared it with all of you, that if I'm sitting for a long period, I am always sitting in a long period on the computer. If I'm sitting for a very, very long time on the computer, I would want to be comfortable. I just tell my chair, hey, and tell my butt, hey. What would it take for me to be comfortable? Then I will get up whenever you tell me next and go have a walk or whatever, and listen to your awareness. And immediately, my eyes, I've removed my specs, and now when I sometimes it gets blurred because sitting in front of the computer for a longer time, and then I get the body's telling me that please run the process, please let go of the computer, please get up from here. And then I tell my body, hey, or tell my eyes, hey, we will do this. Let me just finish this and then we'll do that. And suddenly everything becomes brighter. Are you willing to have that communion with your body? We are doing this body thing. I think today is the last day, and I've had so much of fun. I don't know about the others, but there's so many things have changed. There's one lady who just said that she has 2 pratas every morning, and she eats whatever she wants to. She's fat. She wanted to get little okay, and I told her that tell your body whatever, allow her. She used the tools and she told me that she had one, and when she was going to have the second, the first bite, she did not want to eat. These tools work like magic, guys. They work like magic. Are you willing to have magic? Are you willing to be magic? Are you willing to be conscious? And magic cannot be there without consciousness. You can't have magic with unconsciousness. Magic comes, it's the byproduct, it's the what you get along with being conscious. So, what else?
Just a notification to everyone. If anyone wishes to buy those calls, you can connect with Kamal. She will share you all the recordings. It still is a wonderful class, and you can join today also the last call.
Thank you, Bandy Pan. Thank you. So, consciousness allows you to claim and own the greatness of you. When you're making yourself wrong, you're not being conscious. When you're finding faults, you're not being conscious. Will you please, everywhere you are choosing that, will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncare it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, backward, all 100 shots, boys, povads, bases, creations, and beyonds.
Sorry, can I say,
Please go for it.
yes, I'm really grateful to you and Access Consciousness because tools are meant for me if I use them. ये
Exactly.
जो आप बोलते हैं कि ये बहुत सारे टूल्स है, अगर मैंने यूज किए तो जब मैं ट्रॉमा ड्रामा एंटर करती हूँ तो आजकल मैं तुरंत अवेयर हो जाती हूँ कि ये क्या चल रहा है. एम आई बीइंग मी. इस बुक का तो मुझे इतना फायदा हुआ है. मैं अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग.
Awesome.
तो नहीं तो इसने ये किया, उसने ये किया, मुझे ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिलता. ये ड्रामा है, इसका पता मुझे कॉन्शियस में आने के बाद चला है. नहीं तो दिन लगते थे, महीने लगते थे. मी वाई मी. ये मेरे ही बारे में क्यों होता है, मैंने क्या सीन किए हैं, ये अब कुछ नहीं होता। एम आई बीइंग मी हियर? अगर नहीं है तो हु डज दिस बिलोंग टू? आपने पॉक एंड पॉड इतने सारे टूल्स दिए हैं ना आपने। आप हमेशा बोलते हैं कि बुफे लाई डाउन किया है। अगर मैंने गंदा खाना ही चूज किया तो मैं ही खराब, मेरा पेट खराब हो जाए।
एग्जैक्टली।
एंड अगर मैंने जो चाहिए वो लिया, आनंद ले लिया। मैं काफी दिनों के बाद एक दिन के लिए बाहर गई थी फ्रेंड्स के साथ, एंड सब भूल गई मैं, घर बार सब। एंड इट वाज प्रेजेंट इन नाउ। ये मैंने महसूस किया उस दिन। नहीं तो ये बड़ी बड़ी बातें तो बड़ी अच्छी लगती थी लिखने में, पढ़ने में, बट एक्शन का क्या? अब मैं
एक्शन।
एक्शन लेती हूँ कि अभी एम आई हियर इन नाउ?
या।
अगर है तो आई एम हैप्पी। सो थैंक यू, आई लव यू।
Love you too. My battery is going, so I'm just getting the thing to connect. Just give me 1 minute. Huh. The phone is going dead. Let me just. So that's so beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing. Yeah. But actually, एक बार जब आप कह रहे थे खाना गलत खाया, so there is no गलत खाना. Somebody eating the same food will not get the loosies, and somebody eating the same food will get it. Why? Why does that happen? Have you ever thought of that? You say, oh, ये बाहर का खाना मैंने खा लिया तो खराब. So your point of view creates your reality. If you think कि बाहर का खाना गंदा होता है, you will create it. But at the same time, having said that, being aware of, hey body, would you like to have it? Ask a question, hey body, will you enjoy this? And I think now, after 14 years nearly, I don't even need to ask a question. I just look at a thing and I get the awareness of इसको खाना है कि नहीं खाना. So be aware is more important. Having points of view that outside food is not good is not the best choice you can have. Because then every time you have something outside, your stomach will create the same thing because that's your point of view. Is it making any sense, Manisha?
यस यस कंवल जी, मैंने गलत एग्जांपल दिया शायद, ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि
नहीं नहीं, आपने
खाने।
ठीक कहा. आपकी बात नहीं, आपने ठीक कहा, बट वो मेरे को एक अवेयरनेस उससे आ गई. ये दिस आई मस्ट say, I must tell you that it's not about the food, it's not about even sometimes some गलत खाना भी घर में भी आप कुछ देखते हो कि सूंघते हो, उसको खा लेते हो. ओहो ये तो ठीक नहीं है. You don't get anything. And somebody who will just smell it also and see it in the fridge also might get loosies.
यस, ये खाने का मैंने शायद, नथिंग इज राइट नथिंग इज रॉन्ग, बट कि लाइफ में कितनी चीजें बूफे जैसी लाई डाउन की है। अगर मैंने दूसरों की मदद करना, रोना, ड्रामा ड्रामा यही चूज किया तो मुझे वही मिलने वाला है।
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू टेल। सो मैं
It wasn't about you
इतनी
at all.
इतनी ग्रेटफुल हूँ ना कि निप्पी जी की वजह से हमारी मुलाकात हुई, एंड मैंने वो कॉन्शियसनेस एंड एक्सेस दोनों चूज किया, एंड आई मीन इट, छोड़ नहीं दिया।
बिल्कुल
इट्स
बिल्कुल.
माय थिंग, मतलब तो इतना लाइफ इजी हुआ है ना। यहाँ भी किसी ने, संदीपन जी ने कहा शायद कि कुछ बोला तो मेरा भी इतना रेजिस्टेंस था कि ऑल ऑफ लाइफ कम्स टू मी विथ इट जॉय एंड ग्लोरी, ये नहीं बोलने का, बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि ये मैंने बोला और ये हो गया तो नहीं। अब लाइफ इतना इजी हो गया है, लेकिन ये इजीनेस की मुझे आदत नहीं थी, तो पहले पहले मैं घबरा गई कि ये चल क्या रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं आता, तो
दिख नहीं
करूँ तो क्या करूँ?
there are things, there are situations that you know how to deal with, and they are not
यस,
problems anymore.
करना तो क्या करना पूरा दिन, कोई है ही नहीं, कोई ड्रामा नहीं, किसी की मदद नहीं करना, रोना नहीं है, क्या चल रहा है?
क्या चल
तो
रहा
इतनी
है?
अच्छी चीजें आने
So
लगी
beautiful.
सामने, जो मैं करना चाहती थी बरसों, वो मैं कर सकी अभी. सो आई लव यू, आई रियली ग्रेटफुल टू यू. आई एम.
Grateful to you guys too. Very much grateful to you. So, what are you unwilling to create of this reality that, if you were willing, would create total consciousness? And everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncare it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all, 100 shots, boys, POVADs, basic educations, and beyonds. Yeah.
One thing that came into the awareness, Manisha ji जब बात कर रही थी, so earlier, before Access, I was a guy who used to so-called help everyone. Nowadays, I ask, body,
Yeah.
should I help? And every time it comes to, and I'm like, nahi karna. And that saves myself, matlab, saves me a lot. I also understood that I got it from my father, who still says that helping people is good. And then I was also having the awareness that he used to do it so that he could, show that he's a good man. The idea to be nice, the idea to be good was important for him. And I said, oh, it is not important for me. Let me go.
Yeah. And having you, thank you so much for that. On the other side is when you try to help somebody, you're coming from a superiority place that you can and they can't. And you are in disempowering them. What they can do for themselves, if you do for them, they will not do it for themselves. Who's the one who's benefiting? They're not benefiting. So everywhere you think you need to help people, even when they don't ask you for it, if they ask you for it, okay, go for it. So when you are functioning from unconsciousness or anti-consciousness, you are unwilling to perceive, know, be, and receive. You're just coming from that turned in, tuned up, that you have to save, you have to save the world. That's why we run the big five. You are not here to save the mankind. Let the job, let God do, or the universe do its job. Stop becoming demigods. You come here to enjoy this beautiful planet. Enjoy the fuck out of it. Yeah, your job is not to look after people, not to make them happy, not to give up your happiness to give them peace or happiness. Let them choose for themselves. If everybody had the freedom to choose what they want to choose, would they not choose happiness? And are you loving yourself if you're doing that? What are you unwilling to destroy of not loving you, that if you were willing would manifest as total consciousness? Will you please revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate that? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POAS, basis, equations, and beyonds. So, in simple words, consciousness is living your life in the present, making the best of everything, and not judging anybody, including you. And everywhere you're not choosing that, because that's not the done thing. How can you be? You can't be selfish. Actually, that is being selfless. Yes, Simon, you want to ask something, darling? I'm sorry I didn't see your hand up. I can't hear you. Can anybody hear her?
नहीं
Now,
नहीं अभी तक तो नहीं
now we
सुनाई
can.
दिया. Now,
Yes.
संदीपन ने जैसे अभी बोला ना कि आपको हेल्प करनी है कि नहीं है, तो आपका बॉडी बोलता है. तो क्या कैसे समझ में आता है, मतलब क्योंकि एक मुझे मेजर डिसीजन लेना है फ्यूचर के लिए, तो कैसे मैंने वो क्या रिएक्ट करेगा तो मुझे समझ में आएगा शांतिवन।
लाइटनेस नहीं होता, छोटी छोटी चीजों से देखना शुरू कर दो। एक पेन
हाँ।
पकड़ लो, एक पेन पकड़ लो, उसको बोलो तू पेंसिल है,
हम्म।
दिस इज अ पेंसिल।
ओके।
What comes up just now when I said, yeah, it's a pen, but okay, this is a glass full of water. What will you say?
हम्म।
What is your body perceiving? क्या कह रही है बाहर गए?
यस।
And you might even get angry. तुम्हें दिखता नहीं है? ये
हाँ।
क्या है?
यस।
And is that what you are? You are lightness, you're happy, you're fun. You are laughing now because I am doing it. Because it's an example. If somebody, your child comes up and says, ये glass पानी का है, you'd say, पागल है, दिखता नहीं तेरे को? What energy were you being? Was it light?
नो।
It wasn't. So when you start doing it for little things like that, you will get the awareness of what your body is giving you the awareness. And notice that thing and then recognize it every time that contraction or that heaviness comes. That's not what is fun for you. When somebody gives you a hug,
हम्म।
there's some hugs which you melt in. And there's some hugs that you just, okay, it's okay. And there's some hugs that you don't want to do. What is the energy? You are an energetic being. You cannot say you can't perceive energy. So what
ओके।
energy was there? Was it light? Was it fun? What is this? So this is, then every time you see that, you recognize this is what I like and this is what I don't like. So every time this energy comes, don't choose. Every time this energy comes, hey, then ask a question. Hey, if I choose you, what would my life be 5 years from now? And the same energy would come up and show you lightness or not. And everywhere you are telling yourself that you don't um, get energy, whereas you are an energetic being, would you be willing to destroy and own, claim, and acknowledge that and destroy and uncreate everywhere you're not choosing that? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, bases, creations, and beyonds.
ओके, अगर मुझे अभी वो डिसीजन लाइट लग रहा है और मैं बोलूँ कि ओके 5 इयर्स बाद क्या आएगा, तो एनर्जी डिफरेंट हो जाएगी।
हो सकती है, बिकॉज इस वक्त हमारे पास कितना दिमाग में ट्रैफिक जैम चल रहा है कि वो एनर्जी उसमें समझ में नहीं आ सकती. इसीलिए वी आस्क 5, बिकॉज देन यू कैन गेट टोटल क्लैरिटी एज टू व्हाट द एनर्जी वुड बी. बिकॉज 5 साल का तुम सोच नहीं सकते ना. एंड देन द
हम्म।
यूनिवर्स गिव्स यू द अवेयरनेस. बट यहाँ तो हम सोच रहे हैं ये करेंगे तो ऐसे होगा, वो करेंगे तो ऐसे होगा. तो यू नाउ चूज दिस एंड देन यू गेट caught up in that and you can't get clarity. If you want clarity, every choice you make, ask, if I choose this, what would my life be? Not the life, like materialistic time, but what the energy of my life be 5 years from now? And there is,
ओके,
yeah, okay.
अगर मैं हैप्पीनेस चूज करूं तो वो तो मैं एनी वेयर एनी वेज चूज कर सकती हूँ ना, मतलब वो तो
Simone,
मेरे हाथ में
Simona, you are happiness
है।
until you choose sadness, until you
Right.
choose drama, until you choose whatever.
तो
आप
उस हिसाब
आप
से तो
आप
वाई।
इन्फिनिट बीइंग हो, आप सब एनर्जीज हो. आपको कौन सी एनर्जी चूज करनी है, वो दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट योर मोमेंट वुड बी लाइक. आर यू आस्किंग समथिंग? गो फॉर इट.
हाँ, मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि इफ मुझे ऐसा अनईजी लग रहा है बॉडी में, और देन अगेन मैं अगर हैप्पीनेस चूज करूँ तो चीजें शिफ्ट होंगी।
हैप्पीनेस तो चूज करो ही करो.
हम्म।
Because your energy, like I started the call with saying that when you get up in the morning and you are like happy and you're smiling and you walk in the house with that smile, you're in the kitchen cooking with that ease and joy, who you truly be, everybody who is in the house, wouldn't their energy change? Okay, let's take, there's one person who's angry in the house. Always. What is the energy of that house? Everybody's
Not good.
scared, everybody's like walking on eggshells, everybody's worried, right?
Hmm.
If there is one person who's sick in the house, terminally sick, can you enjoy it? Would you allow yourself to enjoy it? See, one person energy changes it. If it can change it for the bad, it can change for the good. The moment you get up and you're bubbly and you're roaming around the house and you're having fun, and everybody's energy would change. There's a collective energy, and there's a collective consciousness, and there is a collective unconsciousness.
Hmm.
Which one would you choose?
Hmm.
When you are totally yourself, vulnerable self, the infinite being, when you walk into the room, you perceive all the energies. You can tell there is unconsciousness going on in that room. People are judging. I nowadays, when you go for a party or something, there is so much of stiffness, there's so much of undercurrent, there's so much of unconsciousness, collective unconsciousness. People are just criticizing them energetically. You are so aware of all that, aren't you?
And so
Yes.
I don't go to parties.
But
I feel like
I go when I walk in with my energy, the energy of the room changes. I do not become
Kamal,
the
exact
1 minute. I do not become the effect of the
अगर हम
energy
लोग
change.
5 years
I'm
के
like
बाद
bubbly.
की एनर्जी चूज
Hi,
करें
how are you?
तो हम लोग
Okay, go for it, Shamona. Sorry.
तो अगर मेरी एनर्जी शिफ्ट हो रही है तो वो तो थोड़ा तो मैंने चूज किया है तो नेचुरली बाकी एनर्जीज भी शिफ्ट हो जाएंगी.
If they choose to, that's not your job. You're not question. I mean, you're not becoming the effect of their energy. You're just being you. If somebody likes it, fine. That somebody doesn't like it, fine. Some people will walk out of your life. Some people will add on to your life. Are you willing to choose for you, or are you willing to choose according to what everybody else wants you to choose? As till now, are you running your life according to what people want you to live, or you want to be the conscious one to live and become the invitation and become the seductress for them to choose? Once you're vulnerable, there is less aging of their body that occurs. Will have less gray hair. My hair are getting black. If you see my,
Seriously?
if you see, aren't you? Haven't you noticed that this thing was all white? It is becoming blacker. At the end, is my hair are not getting dark, gray.
Oh.
well, it is 9:10, huh?
Oh my God, I didn't see that. Thank you. Okay, guys. Any last burning question, or we can? Sumona, are you done?
Little bit means go with flow type, no?
No, choose.
No.
Don't you have
Choose.
been going with flow till now?
Hmm.
You've been doing exactly what the flow wants you to do. What if you could choose greater in every? What if you could ask a question and be present and say, "Hey, what can I choose now? What will create greater? What choices do I have here? What are the infinite choices that I'm not willing to see and consider? Hey, universe, can you hold my hand? Can you take me through? Hey, consciousness, can you help me? Can you be my side?" There's no judgment.
Okay.
There's
Mhm.
total vulnerability, total open book, totally living your life from the joy of it. Would you like to live like that? Start with little things. Ask for everything, ask a question. But I'm so glad that you asked, because you're the one who's a silent listener, always. For I don't know how many years you've been with attending every call religiously, but how many times have you asked questions? So please, that's the beginning, and it's so beautiful. Thank you for your question.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you.
Okay, guys, love you. Love you so much. And
Love
thank you
you too.
so much. Here, my Chota school, Archana, Shobha, everybody, Hari. Please, thank you so much for joining. I hope it was a contribution. I'm so glad that you were here. Thank you. We have a free call every Sunday. And there are
Thank
lots more
you.
that I have.
Thank you.
You can contact me. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, love. Thank you so much. We see you, the body club people, we see you in the evening today.
शाम को 7 बजे.
Yeah. Oxy, bye.